Hi, hello. This is cooking instructions for kids. Kutties can do seeing this small items they can learn one by one. Now I am teaching vendaka curry, which is the simplest item. Just see this. Here I have cut the lady's fingers into small pieces. Then you have to just put some little oil, then put a little quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, urad dal and jeera and chana dal. Then as soon as it splatters, you can add the cut vegetables here and then add little salt and turmeric powder. A pinch of turmeric.
So have you added the salt and turmeric powder?
Yeah, I've already added the salt and turmeric powder.
Oh, so there's nothing left to do except mixing it.
Yeah, mixing it. I have to add some karam powder.
Okay, let's add karam powder now.
Yes. Now I will put the chili powder. See, it has already got cooked. Almost done. At this stage, if we add the chili powder, it's enough because otherwise it will give some hot odor. Now I have added 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Then you can mix it well and switch it off.
Welcome to Girija's kitchen. I don't know how many items she'll be giving us. She'll be telling about lot of items, I think.
One by one, daily one small items I will teach.
Not daily, maybe weekly one item.
Weekly one for the kids. Easy to learn things. Yeah,
So what?
this is your yummy vendakai curry, which you can make yourself and eat.
Thanks.
Thank you. Sairam. Hi.